Hey everyone, my name is Nick Lopez. I am a P2 Meridian student, having just finished my P1 year. Very excited about that. And I got into pharmacy personally for a couple of reasons. One, my family is really into the medical field. My mom was in medical transcription, and my dad worked in radiology. They both have been there for over 15 years, I think going on 20, 25, something like that now. And they both worked at a hospital for a long time. So my earliest childhood memories actually were going over on like a Friday or something after school to go see my dad over in the radiology department over at St. Alphonsus here in Boise. And going through, as I was going through like high school and all that, trying to figure out where I wanted to go, I sort of honed in on chemistry. So I really enjoyed biochemistry and physical chemistry. It's what I got my undergrad, my bachelor's degree in eventually at BSU. And my chemistry teacher in high school, we were sort of talking about careers and where I wanted to go. And she kind of knew sort of my background in medicine and had recommended as like, hey, why don't you look into pharmacy? It's sort of where chemistry and medicine sort of meet. So it's like, okay. So the next year, I took a class that was the pharmacy technician class through my high school. Absolutely loved it. And right as I was starting college, I got a job at a local pharmacy here. I've been working clinical inpatient pharmacy for probably 6 years now. I've loved it ever since, and that's sort of what's keeping me going, helping people through what medications they take and all that good stuff. And when it comes to ISU, why I chose ISU, the proximity, it's very close. It's like a 15-minute drive depending on the traffic, so that was really appealing. The cost really helped. I just graduated from BSU, very cheap costs there, and coming over to ISU, that was very relatively same cost, so it wasn't too much of a transition there. And I had heard so many stories from people who graduated from ISU, and sort of the pass rate with the NAPLEX, and how they've been doing with tests, and it was just something that I really wanted to get involved with. And kind of a fun fact about me, I've decided to make this a little bit harder for myself. I have recently passed the GRE, or the Graduate Records Examination, to apply for the dual degree PharmD and PhD programs. I'm going to be going for 2 doctorates at the same time. It'll add on a few more years, but hoping to make some good use out of that. I'm looking for something sort of industry or along those lines when I eventually leave and graduate ISU. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully you look forward to these posts when I take over the Instagram account on Friday. See you then.